Hi, this is Catherine, your digital librarian. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a search on the SDA periodical and obituary index. For research into Adventist missions and the history of mission work, this could be a useful database to search because the citations will bring up articles that were written at the time, which would be primary sources. You will also find secondary sources written after the fact, reflecting on a historical period. But depending on what time period you're searching for, this could be a useful database to search. Most of the citations are from the 1970s to the present, but there are some that have been entered that go back to, for example, the 1920s. So for this example, I'm going to search for the Inca mission, and I'm going to look for citations about that particular mission station. I know there are some from the 1920s that have been added to this database, and so we should find some results in a moment for this term. All right, so I see I get 51 results. Obviously ranked by relevance. It's possible the earlier ones are going to be the most relevant, so I'll start here. I do have some facets I could use to minimize my results if I had too many. But I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at what I have here. I see the date, 1919. These are certainly going to be of interest to me. So if I were to enter one of these citation results, here's what I'm looking at. It is possible I will not have a full text link, but this is where the collaboration between the periodical index and the Adventist Digital Library comes in very handy. I can take the citation information here and I can go find the exact article that I need to read. In this case, very lucky, we do have a link to AdventistArchives.org, where the Office of Archive Statistics and Research has provided a scan of this article. If for some reason this link did not work, I could work around it by going to find the Adventist Review, volume 96, 1919, February. I could find that on the Adventist Digital Library. And there I would find a report written by Ernest Peterson. Again, not able to read it on this site, but could read it on the Adventist Digital Library or by going to the Office of Archive Statistics and Research. As you can see, the way that ASTR's site works, I do need to now navigate to where they have their online archives and browse to find the exact article that I want. So in some cases, I do find it easier to do that browsing on the Adventist Digital Library. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to find my information, and using this citation, I can track down that exact article in the right volume and issue number of the Adventist Review.